How to buy NFTs. One of the highest selling NFTs sold for nearly $69 million? Do you also want to make such crazy profits with NFTs? Do you also want to experience the NFT race where you can get your NFTs for cheap? And what are the best marketplaces to keep an eye on? As you might know, a few years ago, Bitcoin gained popularity to an extreme level, and now the NFT is attracting people to itself from all around the planet. People are buying NFTs, they're selling and trading their digital assets. But do you know how you can buy it? So let's talk about that. But before that, welcome back to NFT Explained for Beginners, where we usually talk about NFT and where we decrypt the world of cryptos and NFTs for you. So watch this video till the end, and today we will cover everything that you need to know about buying NFTs. As I mentioned earlier, people are continuously buying, selling, trading NFTs. They are making money with it. You might be thinking about what NFT is. Let's have a quick revision. So NFTs refer to non-fungible tokens, which is a different unit of information that uses technology to log and validate digital content, ranging from videos to songs to photographs on cryptocurrency blockchains, notably Ethereum. Now you might be thinking, how does it work? Well, it is in the name, non-fungible token, in which the fungible is that stuff that stays at the same value after it's been traded or replaced for some other thing. For example, you gave your friend a $50 bill, and he returned you the same $50 but in 5 $10 bills. Now imagine the $50 note is unique and the owner is you. You are the owner of that note. So at that time, your note is assigned to you with a token, and after that, the ownership of that unique $50 note stays in your name. This is called non-fungible, which means uncommon. Accordingly, cryptocurrencies like those $10 notes are fungible because they employ a digital public ledger of transactions called a blockchain. NFTs are digital products that can be bought and traded using blockchain technology, such as that uncommon $50 bill, which aren't fungible as they are different kinds of assets. Now it's time to know how you can buy those NFTs. Well, in this stage, I will talk about some NFT marketplaces right here. Therefore, at first you will need a cryptocurrency wallet, so download an NFT wallet of your choosing. Additionally, there are many wallets available over the internet, but the most popular NFT wallet is the Metamask because it is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Hence, simply go to your browser and search for metamask.io. You can use both the website and the app itself to create your wallet, and you only need to install an extension to use the app itself. Now click on the Get Started button, and then you will get two options. If you already have a MetaMask account, then go for Secret Recovery and Continue option. And if you're doing it for the first time, then create a wallet option. Next, you will need to create a password, and I urge you to make it a strong password that you can easily remember. After that, you will have to read their conditions correctly. Make sure you read the whole thing, in which it is stated that MetaMask never sells your data to their profit. That's pretty nice of them. So, moving to our next part, which is very important stage. Thus, please note down these secret words if possible, because they're going to help you back up or restore your account easily. But one more thing, do not disclose these words to anyone, unless they can take your crypto from your wallet. So note it down on a piece of paper because it's not at all safe to save it online. Okay, now that our wallet is set up and is completed, you will need to put some Ethereum in it, which you can easily buy from any of the crypto exchange platforms like Binance, Wazir X, CoinDCX, or other crypto exchange platforms. However, at this stage, you might be thinking, how much Ethereum should be added to your wallet? Well, try to add a maximum amount of $50 to $100. And yes, I know it might seem as a pretty steep price as the fees of Ethereum are higher as compared to other cryptocurrencies. Hence, I'm giving you a professional point. Now, moving on to the fees related to buying NFTs. So, you might have known that there is a website called gasnow.org where you can check the gas price of Ethereum, and when you can get to the lowest price of Ethereum, then you can buy it and save the gas price. Now you might be thinking, what is the gas price? What does it mean? Well, the gas price mentions the amount of Ethereum in a small quantity that needs to be paid by Ethereum miners to process the transaction fees on the network. However, you can visit the site to save your gas fees. Now it's time to know how you can buy or sell NFT, and you might already know there are many NFT marketplaces available like Rarible, OpenSea, Nifty Gateway, etc. But the most popular NFT marketplace is OpenSea, which has a higher volume, so we'll be using it for this video. Now let's begin. So go to your browser and search OpenSea. After the tab opens, tap on My Profile where you can find the logo of MetaMask wallet. Next, click on Sign In to continue your MetaMask wallet directly from OpenSea. Now if you want to buy the NFT, we can find it in this feed. Additionally, you can see that there are millions of NFTs available to buy. Here, at that point, I will suggest something about your purchases so you might know that the price of cryptocurrency changes every day, including Ethereum, so do not invest a huge amount which you will not be able to cover in future. Next, scroll the marketplace page, and as you can see, there are many different and cool NFTs available. Now click on the particular NFT you want to buy, and as you can see, this page is already showing the price of this NFT. So if you want to buy it right now, click on the Buy Now button. Now you can see that another tab is open for checkout, and it is showing the accept their terms of service. After accepting their conditions, go to add funds, and if you do not have enough funds, as you can see that this is not complicated, it's very easy to buy the NFT that you wanted. Moreover, if we go to the stats button here, we can see the best value NFTs. If you notice very well, you can see the floor price of the NFT. You can see it's very low. So you might be thinking that what is the floor price and why is it very low? Well, the floor price is the cheapest price of the NFT sold before. But if we want to sell NFTs, first we have to create our own. Here is how you can create your own NFT. Go to the Create button beside this Resource button so you can select any of these like JPG, GIF, MP4, MP3, anything. So we can see that whatever we want, we can upload here. Well, after selecting one of those things, we will need to put the name of our stuff. Whatever we want, we can put them here as the name. Moreover, in the external link section, you can put your website URL as well as your YouTube channel link. Also in the description section, you can put anything you want to describe your product. Now you can see these extra options you can customize yourself. Also, you can put the supply number that shows how much supply you want for this item. After that, select your blockchain system, then tap to upload. This is how you can buy your NFT as well as sell it. So to sum things up, it's pretty easy to get into digital assets like NFT. You just need a wallet like Metamask or anything else that you prefer and pick your favorite NFT from the market. But always do your own research before investing in NFTs. Armed with this knowledge, which NFT will you invest in? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. And do take note that this is just financial advice, so think before engaging in any kind of financial activity and invest at your own risk. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed our video. Stay tuned for our next interesting video, and we assure you, you won't be disappointed.